dear children. This is my second video on time. Today we will learn some important measures of time and do the conversions based on these measures. But before starting with it, we will have to know how much time has passed from one time given to the other time given. Let's see the question. How many hours have passed? A. 9 p.m. to 8 a.m. Here, two different periods are given, p.m. and a.m. So, we will divide this question into two periods. Starting from, suppose, 9 p.m. here in the question, till 12 midnight will be one period that will end. 1, 2, 3 hours. Now, the other period will be starting from 12 and will be ending at 8 a.m. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hours. So, time 9 p.m. to 12 midnight, 3 hours. 12 midnight to 8 a.m., 8 hours. We will combine these time to get the hours between 9 p.m. and 8 a.m. that is 3 plus 8, 11 hours. So, we will combine the time in these two periods. Now move on to measures of time. These are important measures which you already know as it has been taught to you in the previous class. 1 day is equals to 24 hours, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds, 1 week is equals to 7 days, 1 month is equals to 30 days, 1 year is equals to 365 days, 1 leap year is equals to 366 days. Because February month in this year has one more day. 1 year is equals to 12 months. 1 year is equals to 52 weeks. Now, we will start the conversions based on these measures. A. Convert 8 hours to minutes. As we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So, 8 hours will be more and will be multiplied by 60. 60 multiplied 8 minutes, that is 480 minutes. Therefore, 8 hours is equals to 480 minutes. Now, question number B. 6 hours, 53 minutes, 2 minutes. Here, we have to convert this and this both in minutes. Here you can see this is in hours and this is in minutes. So, we need to convert the hours into minutes. Like 1 hour you know is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore, 6 hours will be multiplied by 60. 60 multiplied 6 is equals to 360 minutes. Now, the hours will be converted into minutes here and these are already into minutes. We will add both the minutes, that is 360 and 53, we will get 413 minutes. Now, we move to our next conversion. Before moving ahead with conversions, let's look at the chart drawn here. This will make our calculation easy. Hours at the first place, minutes at the second place and seconds at the third place. So here, when we move forward, we multiply by 60 at each step, and if we move backwards, we divide by 60 at each step. So, if hours are given to us and we have to convert into minutes, where we will go? We will go forward and we will multiply by 60 the given number of hours. Let's start with question number A. 2 minutes to seconds, that is, you have to convert minutes into seconds. That means you are moving forward. That means you will multiply 2 by 60. Let's see how. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 2 minutes will have more number of seconds, that is 2 multiplied by 60 because we are moving forward. That is 2 minutes is equals to 120 seconds. Now, question number B. 240 seconds, 2 minutes. Here, what we are doing? We are moving from seconds to minutes, a step backwards. This means the given number will be divided by 60 to obtain the required minutes. Here, these two equations are there. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, or we can write 60 seconds as 1 minute. Because we have to convert into minutes. So we have to put the minute side on the right hand side. Here 60 seconds will have 1 minute and 1 second will have less number of minutes. That means we will divide by 60. Here 1 second will have 1 by 60 minutes and 240 seconds will have more minutes, that are 240 multiplied by 1 by 60. Here 240 is getting multiplied by 1, that means 240, and divided by 60. So we will perform the division and will obtain the number of minutes. That is 240 seconds is equals to 4 minutes. Here from this table, from the help of this table, we can do this from this step and will make our calculation easy. How? Here we get 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 minutes. 1 second changing into minutes, we will divide by 60. So 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 minutes, and 240 seconds into minutes, we will divide by 240 by 60. The answer is 4 minutes. Now question number C. Here we have to convert 2 weeks to hours. This means weeks have to be converted to hours. But this is a two-way process. First, weeks will be converted into days and then days will be converted into hours. Let's see how. 1 week is equals to 7 days. Therefore, 2 weeks will have more number of days. 2 multiply 7, that is 14 days. Here we get 2 weeks is equals to 14 days. Now we can take the help of 14 days to calculate hours. How? 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Yes. So 14 days will have more number of hours. That is 14 multiplied 24. That is 336 hours. Here statement A and statement B shows that 2 weeks is equals to 14 days and 14 days is equals to 336 hours. So this means that 2 weeks is equals to 14 days and 14 days are equal to 336 hours. So 2 weeks are also equal to 336 hours. Now question number D. Here we have to convert 6 months to days. 1 month is having 30 days. So 6 months will be having more number of days. We will multiply 30 by 6 and we obtain 180 days. This means 6 months is equals to 180 days. Question number E. 3 hours 2 seconds. So instead of doing a longer formula, we can use the help of this chart to solve the question. 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. How? When we are moving from hours to seconds, we take 2 steps. One we will move here and the other we will move again here. So this means 60 one step and 60 other step. 60 multiplied by 60, that is 3600 seconds. Now 1 hour will have less number of seconds and 3 hours will have more number of seconds. That is 3600 will be multiplied by 3. Now 3 hours is equals to 10,800 seconds. Now we move to today's worksheet. So children, this is our second worksheet on time. Question number 1. How many hours have passed? A. 6 am to 10 am. B. 8 pm and 3 am. Question number 2. Convert 5 hours into minutes. Question number 3. Change 4 minutes into seconds. Question number 4. Change 36 hours to days. Question number 5. Convert 3 weeks into hours. I hope you do these questions in your copy and we will meet you in the next video on time again. Thank you.